Hello friend, Shreyas here from shreyasyadav.com. In this Adobe Camera Raw tutorial, we will learn how to set up a black and white point. Black and white point sliders are used to set a brightest and the darkest pixels. These extreme pixels will define the extreme points of your image histogram. By adjusting a white and black point in your images, you are adjusting the dynamic range of the image. In most of the cases, you want to increase the dynamic range. In simple words, with black and white point sliders, you can define which is the darkest and which is the brightest pixel in your image. Let's see how we can set up a black and white point in Adobe Camera Raw. We are in Adobe Camera Raw, and under a basic panel, you will find a white and a black point sliders. So there are three methods to set a black and white point. We will learn all of the three methods. So method number one is, we will set the white point first. Click on the white point slider and then press Options or Alt key and the image will appear completely black. Now move the slider towards right or the positive number till you start seeing the first brightest pixel. So notice if you are seeing the first brightest pixel, this is your white point. Now we will set the black point. Click on the black point slider and press the Alt and Option key. The image will completely become a white. Then move the slider towards left or the negative number until you start seeing the darkest pixel. As you start seeing the dark pixels, this is your black point, and stop at this point. Here is how the before and after picture looks like. Here is another method to set up a black and white point. Hold the Shift key and double click on the white point slider. It will automatically set your white point. Similarly, press the Shift key and double click on the black slider. And this will set your black point as well. This is pretty easy method to set the black and white point. Now, let's see the third method to set up a black and white point. So let me reset it. Now we will adjust the black and white point using the third method. So to set the white point, click on this highlight clipping triangle, okay, and then start dragging the white point slider towards right until you start seeing the blinkage. If you see here, you can see the blinkage. This is your white point. Similarly, to adjust the black point, click on this shadow clipping triangle and start dragging the black point slider towards left, that is the negative number, until you start seeing the blinkage. So here you can see these are the blinkage, okay. So this is the third method to adjust black and white point. So here we go. These are the before and after pictures. Now start setting up a black and white point and make your images beautiful. With black and white point setup, you will start seeing a significant improvement in image dynamic range. Hey, I have a special free gift for you. It's my 9-step Adobe Lightroom guide. It includes a Lightroom guide that shows you how to go from a raw image to an awesome image, how to use Lightroom tools to enhance the image, a free set of images for you to practice. To get this free guide, click on the link in the video description below. And if you find this tutorial helpful, then subscribe and click on the bell icon so that when a new video is up, you will get a notification. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Hey, again, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.